Have you ever felt like your brain is in 100 places at once? That buzzing sensation as your phone lights up with notifications while you are trying to concentrate, sleep, or even enjoy a moment of peace? You are not alone. Hello and welcome to Case Calm Kit. Today we are diving into a challenge that's silently eroding our mental health: information overload. In this digital age, our devices keeps us connected, but at what cost to our well-being? It's time to talk about detoxing, not just your body, but your mind. A digital detox can be your gateway to clearer thoughts, better sleep, and a more peaceful life. And if you find today's topic enlightening, don't forget to check out the rest of our mental clarity playlist right here on Case Calm Kit for more insights and strategies. Stick around as we explore the signs of information overload, how it affects us, and most importantly, practical steps you can take to manage and reduce it. In a world where data is king, our minds are the battleground. Information overload occurs when the amount of input to our brain exceeds its processing capacity. Think of it as trying to drink from the fire hose. The digital age has amplified this effect exponentially. Every ding, ping, and buzz can pull our attention in a million directions. But what does this constant connectivity do to our mental state? Psychologically, the impacts are profound. Constant connectivity can lead to heightened stress levels as our brain struggles to process the incessant stream of information. This chronic stress can trigger anxiety and even contribute to long-term issues like depression. Emotionally, the barrage of information can lead to what's called decision fatigue. Just as the name suggests, decision fatigue occurs when we are forced to make too many decisions too quickly. The result, our ability to make well-thought-out decisions plummets, and over time, this can cloud our judgment and sap our energy. The importance of addressing information overload cannot be overstated. For our mental clarity and overall well-being, learning to manage this digital huge is crucial. It's not just about reducing stress, it's about enhancing our ability to think clearly and make decisions that align with our values and goals. Recognizing when you need to step back from digital inputs is the first step toward regaining your mental peace. Let's explore 5 common symptoms that suggest it might be time for a digital detox. First up is constant fatigue. If you find yourself feeling unusually tired, especially after spending time on digital devices, it could be a sign that your brain is overloaded. This kind of mental exhaustion can significantly impact your energy levels even if you are getting enough sleep. Next, we have the inability to concentrate. When you are bombarded with endless alerts and messages, focusing on tasks can become challenging. This scattering of attention can hinder your productivity and creativity. Feeling overwhelmed by notifications is another telling sign. If the mere sound or sight of a new alert causes stress or anxiety, this indicates an overload. Your brain may be signaling that it's time to cut down on the digital clutter. Irritability or mood swings can also be symptoms. If you notice that your mood changes drastically in response to online interactions or digital tasks, it might be time to evaluate the emotional cost of constant connectivity. Lastly, poor sleep quality. If you struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep and you spend significant time on screens before bed, this could be a sign that those habits are affecting your sleep cycle. Now that we've identified these symptoms, let's make it actionable. Here is a simple self-assessment checklist. Ask yourself these questions. Do I feel unusually tired during or after using digital devices? Am I finding it hard to focus on a single task for a prolonged period? Does the number of notifications I receive make me feel anxious or stressed? Have my mood been fluctuating more than usual, especially in response to digital interactions? Have my sleep patterns changed, becoming more erratic or disturbed with my technology use? If you answered yes to any of these questions, it might be time to consider a digital detox. To effectively detox digitally, it's important to have practical strategies in place. Here are 5 proven ways to reduce your digital consumption and regain control of your mental clarity. Strategy number 1, set specific times for checking emails on social media. Begin by setting specific times to check your emails and social media rather than leaving notifications on all day. For instance, allocate time slots in the morning, after lunch, and late afternoon. This helps contain digital interactions within defined periods, reducing the distraction they cause throughout the day. It's a simple change that can significantly decrease your stress and enhance your focus. Strategy number 2, designate tech-free zones in your home. Another effective approach is to designate tech-free zones in your home. Choose areas like the bedroom or dining room where digital devices are not allowed. This creates physical spaces for relaxation and interactions that are free from digital interruptions, fostering healthier habits and stronger family connections. Strategy number 3, engage in offline activities that promote relaxation and mindfulness, such as reading, yoga, or even crafting. These activities not only relax your mind, but also help reconnect with yourself or loved ones in more meaningful ways. The goal is to replace screen time with quality time, which can greatly improve your mental and emotional well-being. Strategy number 4, use apps and tools to monitor and limit screen time. Utilize technology to fight technology. There are numerous apps and tools designed to monitor and limit your screen time. These can block distracting sites, limit how long you spend on specific apps, and provide reports on your digital habits. By being aware of your digital consumption, you can make more informed decisions about your tech use. Strategy number 5, establish a nightly digital curfew. Choose a specific time each night when you turn off all digital devices, ideally an hour before bedtime. This helps your mind unwind and prepare for sleep, significantly improving your sleep quality. Restful sleep is crucial for mental clarity and overall health. Implementing these strategies can make a significant difference in your digital and mental balance. Start small, perhaps with one strategy, and gradually integrate more into your daily routine. As we explore ways to detox digitally, the true challenge lies in making these changes part of your everyday life. It's not just about taking a break, it's about creating a healthier relationship with technology long-term. Integrating these digital detox practices daily is crucial for maintaining mental clarity and improving overall well-being. By regularly disconnecting from digital devices, you allow your mind the space it needs to recover from the constant barrage of information. This ongoing practice can enhance your focus, reduce stress, and increase your productivity. Number 1. Start small and build gradually. Begin with manageable changes. If turning off notifications all at once seems overwhelming, start by silencing them from an hour each day and gradually increase the duration. Small successes will motivate you to expand your efforts. Number 2. Make it a routine. Incorporate digital detox into your daily routine. If your morning starts with checking emails, try replacing that habit with a short meditation or a walk. Making it part of your daily schedule helps to form lasting habits. Number 3. Use technology to your advantage. While the goal is to reduce screen time, don't hesitate to use technology to help manage your use of it. Set reminders to take breaks, or use apps that lock you out of your phone at certain times to help enforce your boundaries. Number 4. Involve others. Share your goals with friends or family. Having a detox buddy can provide both accountability and support. Plus, engaging in digital detox together makes the process more enjoyable and easier to stick with. Number 5. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on what's working and what isn't. Adapt your strategies to fit changes in your lifestyle or technology habits. Being flexible with your approach will make it easier to maintain these practices long-term. Adopting these strategies isn't just about cutting back on digital use, it's about creating a lifestyle that allows you to thrive in a digital world without being overwhelmed by it. As we wrap up our journey today, let's remind ourselves why reducing information overload is so crucial. It's not just about decluttering our digital lives, it's about reclaiming our mental clarity and improving our quality of life. Every small step towards managing our digital consumption helps us make clearer decisions, reduces stress, and enhances our overall well-being. If you found today's strategies helpful, I encourage you to dive deeper by exploring the entire Mental Clarity playlist right here on Case Calm Kit. It's packed with more insights and tools that can help you navigate the challenges of the digital ages. And if you are new to our channel or haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and share your own experiences or tips on managing digital consumptions in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning together as a community. Thank you sincerely for spending your time with us today. Congratulations on taking this important first step towards a life of greater calm and clarity. Remember, each step you take is a move towards a better, more focused you. Stay calm, stay curious, and as always, stay clear. Until next time, take care of your mind, and it will take care of you. See you in the next video. Much love.